In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchase history on the eBay app. A truly simple and straightforward process. Whether you're tracking a recent purchase, managing expenses, or simply reviewing your buying activity, being able to quickly access your purchase history can be incredibly useful. First, you need to ensure that you have the eBay app installed on your smartphone, whether that's an iOS or an Android device. Go ahead and open the app, and if you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your login credentials. You want to be fully signed in to access all of the app's features seamlessly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the menu icon. On iOS devices, you'll typically find this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Meanwhile, Android users might need to look toward the top left corner. This icon might look like three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Tapping on it will open up a list of options. In this menu, you need to find and select the Purchases section. Depending on your version of the app, it could alternatively be labeled as My eBay, followed by a Purchases sub-option. This section is your gateway to viewing all the items you've bought on eBay. Once you've selected Purchases, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive view of your purchase history. This includes a detailed list of everything you've bought on eBay. Not only will you see items you've decided to purchase outright, but if you've participated in auctions, it will also show the items you've won. Each listing comes with essential details that are really handy. You'll notice the date of the purchase, the price you paid, and the seller's information. If tracking information is available, you will see that here too, allowing you to monitor the journey of your current orders right to your doorstep. Navigating this section is fairly intuitive, and as you explore, you can tap into specific orders to expand and view more details or tracking information, should you need it. It's also a good practice to periodically check in on this section to ensure that your recent purchases are on track, especially if you're waiting for delivery. And with that, you've successfully accessed and navigated through your eBay purchase history right from your mobile app. Remember, having quick and easy access to this information can be particularly beneficial for reviewing past transactions or confirming details about a recent order. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your online shopping experience just a bit smoother. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and happy